Stressed about exams? What if AI could predict your test questions with scary accuracy? We're talking about a fundamental shift in learning and test preparation. Welcome to the future of studying, where AI-powered exam prediction tools help you ace your tests. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about optimizing your effort. Imagine a system that analyzes past exams, identifies patterns, and predicts your specific test questions. These tools are here to make your study sessions more targeted and efficient. Today we're diving into 3 cutting-edge AI tools revolutionizing your study game. We'll explore how they work, what makes them unique, and if they can help you study smarter. So grab your notebooks or open a new tab because class is in session. Let's get into it. First up is Exam Genius AI, a revolutionary tool designed to transform the way you prepare for exams. This innovative software takes your course material, lecture notes, and past exam papers to build personalized practice tests tailored specifically for you. It leverages sophisticated natural language processing and advanced machine learning algorithms to understand the content deeply. Exam Genius AI doesn't just skim the surface, it comprehends context, key concepts, and the intricate relationships between various topics. This allows it to create highly tailored practice tests, moving beyond generic question banks to offer something truly personalized. Think about traditional past papers. You do 1 or 2 and quickly run out of fresh material. Exam Genius AI aims to solve this problem by generating a near-infinite supply of relevant practice questions, ensuring you never run out of material to work on. It meticulously learns from the structure of past exams and replicates these patterns to create new, challenging tests. The more comprehensive the material you provide, the better the practice tests it can generate. This means you can include textbooks, lecture slides, and even your own notes. Exam Genius AI adapts to your weak spots, surfacing more questions in areas where you need the most practice, making your study sessions more efficient. This adaptive learning approach is a significant step up from static resources, which often fail to address individual learning needs. Exam Genius AI acts as a smart filter, highlighting high-yield topics that are most likely to appear on your exams, helping you focus your efforts where it matters most. The user interface is designed to be intuitive and straightforward. Simply upload your materials, generate tests, and start practicing immediately. Remember, the quality of the output depends on the quality and quantity of the input you provide. The richer the data, the more effective the practice tests. It needs rich, diverse data to work its magic and provide you with the best possible preparation. One of the biggest advantages is the potential time-saving aspect. By automating the analytical work, Exam Genius AI frees up more of your time for actual studying. It encourages active recall, a learning technique proven by science to enhance memory retention and understanding. No tool is perfect, but continuous user feedback and ongoing development are crucial to making Exam Genius AI even better. Exam Genius AI positions itself as a smart study companion, adapting to your course and learning needs, making it an invaluable tool in your academic arsenal. For targeted practice and better exam preparedness, Exam Genius AI is definitely one to watch. It's not just about studying harder, but studying smarter. Next up, we have Smart Prep, leveraging the cutting-edge capabilities of ChatGPT-5, the latest iteration in AI technology. Smart Prep adapts difficulty based on your progress. It generates novel questions, rephrases complex concepts, and provides detailed explanations tailored to your learning style. Answer correctly and the next question increases in complexity, challenging you to push your boundaries and deepen your understanding. Struggle with a question and it dials back the difficulty to build your understanding step by step, ensuring you grasp foundational concepts before moving on. Smart Prep simulates a realistic exam environment, including time constraints to help you manage your time effectively and reduce exam anxiety. It understands context deeply, formulating questions that test genuine understanding rather than rote memorization, making your learning experience more meaningful. The adaptive difficulty algorithm continuously evaluates your performance and tailors questions to match your evolving skill level, ensuring optimal learning. Your study sessions become highly personalized and efficient, with Smart Prep providing instant feedback and guidance. Smart Prep is like having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to assist you whenever you need help, no matter the time of day. The user experience is interactive, with potential for conversational AI, making your interactions with Smart Prep feel natural and engaging. Training and fine-tuning. ChatGPT-5, for educational purposes, is a complex process involving extensive research and development. Ensuring accuracy and relevance is a continuous challenge, requiring constant updates and improvements to the AI model. Data privacy and security are crucial concerns, and Smart Prep is designed to protect your personal information with the highest standards of security. Smart Prep could provide feedback on written responses, assessing argumentation, coherence and clarity, helping you improve your writing skills. It constantly pushes you beyond your comfort zone for deeper learning, encouraging you to tackle challenging questions and think critically. The effectiveness of Smart Prep depends on the quality of ChatGPT-5 and its fine-tuning, which is an ongoing process to ensure the best learning experience. For dynamic interaction and personalized learning, Smart Prep offers a compelling vision of the future of education, where AI and human learning go hand in hand. It promises to make every study minute count, helping you learn and master material more effectively and efficiently than ever before. Smart Prep aims to redefine digital study aids with advanced AI, setting a new standard for personalized, adaptive learning in the digital age. Chapter 3. ProfBot, Decoding the Professor's Playbook. In this chapter, we delve into the intricate workings of ProfBot, an AI tool designed to give students an edge in their exam preparations by decoding the patterns of their professors' past exams. ProfBot is trained on professors' past exams to predict question patterns. By analyzing a vast array of historical exam data, it identifies recurring themes and question types that professors tend to favor. It claims over 90% accuracy in some contexts. This high level of accuracy is achieved through sophisticated algorithms that continuously learn and adapt from new data inputs. Many instructors have recurring patterns in their exams. These patterns can be subtle, such as a preference for certain topics, or more obvious, like the format of questions they use. ProfBot analyzes these patterns to help you prepare. By understanding these tendencies, students can focus their study efforts more effectively, honing in on the areas that are most likely to be tested. It looks at question types, key topics, and exam structure. This comprehensive analysis ensures that no stone is left unturned in the quest to predict exam content. Understanding these patterns helps you allocate study time strategically. By knowing which topics are likely to appear, you can prioritize your study schedule to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Students upload past exams to refine ProfBot's predictive model. This continuous input of new data helps the AI to stay current and improve its predictions over time. ProfBot focuses on the idiosyncrasies of a particular examiner. Each professor has unique quirks and preferences, and ProfBot's detailed analysis can uncover these nuances. It offers insights that would otherwise take semesters to glean. With ProfBot, students can gain a deep understanding of their professor's exam style in a fraction of the time. The reliability of ProfBot is paramount, backed by transparent methodology. The AI's predictions are based on clear, understandable processes that ensure trust and accuracy. Access to data is a challenge. It thrives on historical data. The more past exams it has access to, the better its predictions will be. Professors can change their testing styles, and ProfBot must adapt. The AI is designed to be flexible, updating its models to reflect any changes in exam patterns. The user interface presents predicted patterns in an easily digestible format. This makes it simple for students to understand and act on the insights provided. It generates reports highlighting key areas of focus and likely question formats. These reports are invaluable for targeted study sessions. This tool is powerful for high-stakes exams, reducing anxiety. By providing a clearer picture of what to expect, ProfBot helps students feel more prepared and less stressed. ProfBot provides probabilistic insights, not guarantees of specific questions. It's important to remember that while the AI can predict trends, it cannot foresee exact questions. Ethical considerations are important. It's about diligent preparation. Using ProfBot should complement, not replace, thorough studying and understanding of the material. ProfBot demystifies the exam setting process, offering targeted preparation. By breaking down the elements of exam creation, it helps students prepare more effectively. It leverages data to help you understand your examiner and succeed. With ProfBot, you can approach your exams with confidence, knowing you have a powerful tool to guide your preparation. So, there you have it, 3 AI tools aiming to change the way you study. From ExamGenius AI's personalized test to SmartPrep's adaptive learning and ProfBot's pattern prediction, the potential is exciting. Upload all your materials for the best results. Train the AI early and interact consistently. Combine these tools with active recall and genuine understanding. AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for real learning. Double-check facts and follow academic integrity guidelines. These tools augment your efforts, not replace them. The future of studying is intelligent, helping you study smarter and feel more prepared. Try these tools and see if they help you crush your next test. Comment below with your thoughts.